Well, it's the next day after the winter storm. We're still in the winter storm. Not much going on right now. We've still got power, but you may ask yourself, how do antennas fare with a winter storm? How do they handle ice and snow? Well, they'll do snow pretty good, but we're going to walk around and check things out. Well, you can probably see that antenna is covered in ice, and the tower's in ice, and the beam over there is covered in ice. Loop box is covered in ice, so everything's covered in ice. Doesn't make for a very good radio. Let's go out back and check out the loop. SWR is really high on it. Can't use it right now. You can see the ice on these trees. It is nasty out here. These trees are drooping. Wind's picking up. It's just cold. Well, here's the loop. You can see. It's got quite a bit of ice on it. And it's really low to the ground. It should be 15 feet off the ground, 20 feet maybe. Pretty gross. Somebody out on a four-wheeler playing. This is my end fed. You can see it's the same way. And over here's the loop. You can see how close to the ground it is. It's about 4 feet off the ground there. And it is cold out here. Too cold to be on a four-wheeler. But just in case you ever wonder how loops, I'm shaking, so sorry about that, how loops do in the snow or ice, here's your answer. Anyway, that's that. We've got a horrible wind chill going on. You can probably see the camera shaking, and that's probably because it's cold out here. But so far the antennas are up. Hopefully we don't get no more rain. I don't think we're supposed to get any more rain. We're supposed to get a little more snow. But I'm gonna get back in the house because it is cold out here. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on antennas during an ice storm, how they hold up. Now you know. Peace.